In this video, we're going to learn how to deploy a simple web application built with Python Streamlit using Cloudflare Tunnel. First, we need to install the Streamlit library. After installing it with pip, we can move on to writing our code. Let's start simple. First, we import Streamlit. Then we create a title for our app so users immediately see something clean and clear when they open it. After that, we add an input field where the user can type their name. And finally, we add a button. When the button is clicked, we check if the user entered a name. If they did, we display a welcome message on the screen. If not, we show a small warning asking them to enter their name. Now let's run the app. I'm starting the web application locally using the Streamlit run command. As you can see, it works exactly as expected. Everything is running smoothly. But here's the problem. Right now, this web app is only accessible on my local network. That means only I, or someone on the same network, can access it. For example, someone in a different city cannot open this website. So how do we fix that? This is where Cloudflare comes in. We're going to use it to expose our local web application to the public internet. To do that, we first need to install Cloudflared. If you're using Windows, you can install it with a single wingit command. I already installed it before, so I got a message saying it's already installed. On your side, you should see a successful installation message. Now let's go back to VS Code. Our web app is still running locally. I'm going to open a new PowerShell window. Using one simple command, we can expose our local web application to the internet. When you run the command, there will be a short setup process. After that, if you scroll up a bit in the console, you'll see a randomly generated URL. And that's it. This URL is now publicly accessible. Your web app is no longer just running locally, it's live on the internet. Anyone with that link can access it. But keep this in mind. If you stop the app or turn off your computer, the website will no longer be accessible. Now, you might not know how to build web applications with Streamlit yet, and that's totally fine. I've prepared a really solid course for you in the courses section. You can learn not only Streamlit, but also many other Python topics there in a simple and practical way.